Visualize the secret to achieve anything. Before you achieve anything big, you have to see it in your mind. This is the actual power of visualization and it works like magic. No worry, today in this video, I will tell you about the topic how to use this method in your learning or journey or how to memorize, I think how to visualize in your journey. So don't worry about that. I'm always with you. And if you new here, my name is Tonmoy. I especially make video improving English, personal development, and also reveal financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you get massive outcome in your learning way. Well, the most unique motivation line for everyone: success is a term. Success is a hope. I think what you want actually. Basically, success starts with your mind. You can feel it, you can act on daily. In present, what you do, that's your success. In present, what you want to be, that's your success and you have to act it daily. So make it habit and try to implement what actually you want, what you want to be, where you want to go. Please try to implement. Let's jump in. In our life or in our learning way, we always see a dream that one day I want to be and one day I will arrive in your future, because everyone has a dream to set up and everyone has a right to see dream. So why not you see a big dream? My actual point is that what is visualization? Now we move on. Step number 1. What is visualization? Visualization means you actually want and you see a dream that one day I will be English pro learner. One day I will be English speaker and I speak English fluently. That's your visualization. And just keep going in this way. Without visualization, without viewing your dream, your conception, you can't arrive in your future. You can't speak in English. Let's take a short story. Right now, you intend to be English speaker, right? So you have to visualize at a time, at first as a beginner. So visualize yourself that you speak English confidently and frankly, because your mind don't understand that what is practical knowledge or what is mental practice. So your mental always focus what you think actually. Your mental always focus on your thinking ability. So when you think in positively that yes, I will be an English speaker, I will speak frankly, I would talk with my friends confidently, that's actually happening in your life and your mind, your brain catch up your pioneer thoughts, your pioneer thinking ability. So that's the actual point of visualization. I hope you understand. Now we move on chapter number 2. Sometimes we all face hopeless situation and get demotivation. I always say that this is a part and parcel or inevitable part of our life. But if you get stuck with this situation, you can't do that. You always overcome. Yes, you have to overcome with the situation and always say about yourself that yes, I can do that. I have to remove this fear from my mind. Fear is nothing. Motivation is temporary. So you don't focus with kind of this motivation. You always focus what matters today, what you have actually, what you have done today. Always focus. If you are starting English practice like 2 minutes, 1 minute, even you create a sentence with one words, that's your success. That's your growing, that's your improving learning. So you don't think about that. You will go in one day. I think you will set up or finish your plan in one day. No, you don't think about that. You just start with a small and easy steps. When you go with step by step and gradually, obviously, just believe in yourself. Trust about yourself that one day you will get your indomitable dream. Well, think about that, and that's actually work in your learning way. And this is the power of visualization. So start with zero, and one day you get massive outcome, immense output in your learning way. Don't think about that when you feel stuck. Don't think about that when you get demotivation. Demotivation, feel stuck, feel shy and ashamed. This kind of thinking ability always kill your feelings, always destroy your mindset. So don't go with the way. Rather, you start using this formula, what I basically saying in my videos, that's help you, that change your life entirely. Just try to implement and make it habit. Now you see that here, this is my little brothers and here also. So we are also always coming in our riverside to get refreshment, and that actually help our life. And you can do same thing, because without refreshing, without refreshment, you can't think properly. So we need to get refreshment for living properly, for happiness. Now we move on step number 3, how to visualize daily. So I think you got it, number 2, chapter number 2 or chapter number 1. Now the very important step is that 3, how to visualize daily. You know that without visualization, you can't achieve your goal. So you have to visualize in every day what actually you want to be, what you do. Well, let's start with zero. Let's start with very simple idea. Let's take a short story. Right now you think that you are an English speaker. So you have to practice your English daily. Without practicing, you can't speak. That's enough. That's very easy. So what you actually do? What can you do for improving your life and how to visualize daily? Just think about yourself that one day I will be English speaker, and your act, your gesture, your attitude like some of that. I think you understand. If you follow a English content creator, I always say copy their attitude, copy their eye clicking, copy their gesture, copy their mouth moving, how he speaks. So just copy their self and just visualize about yourself that yes, I have to do same thing. I have to speak in English properly. Just think about yourself, even if you are practicing like 2 minutes in every single day. Be consistent in with yourself. Without consistent, you can't get your dream. That's very easy. Sometimes you don't take your action. Why you do that like crazy? Why? It's your life. Obviously, it's your life, and it's high time to do something to improve your skill, to improve your life. So why not you take action properly? Why not you go with gradually? Sometimes you feel excited, and that's actually kill your emotion. So think about yourself and practice English with yourself, and always visualize what actually you want to be. Yes, that's help you. Just try to implement, just try to make it habit. And when this formula working in your learning, let me know in my comment section. that yes, your motivation line, your chapter number 3 is working in my life. That's my actually appreciable happy. That's my happiness for everyone. And I always want to do something for my audience, for my subscriber. So practice English every single day and practice English with yourself. If you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more amazing content for real conversation. As a beginner, if I mistake to make sentence, then let me know in my comment section. I will try to solve the problem. By the ending of this video, just comment below in my video that I will start speaking from this today, and I have to visualize my success, what actually I want to be from this today. Just let me know in my comment section.